Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more update. Today's techniques unlock a hidden Photoshop superpower called Blend If, perfect for seamless blending. We start by selecting the layer you want to blend into your background. Next, double click on that layer to open the layer style panel. Inside this panel, you will find the powerful Blend If sliders at the bottom. These slider helps you keep or remove highlights and shadows with stunning accuracy. Now slowly drag the layer slider to the left to remove brighter position of your image. You will notice the blend immediately become smoother, creating a natural transitions. To make it even more seamless, hold Alt and split the slider into two levels. This split gives you refined control